Journalize the following transactions. The first transaction is value of building is to be increased by 2 lakh. Now students, in case of admission, the value of building is increasing. That means the value of asset is increasing. We will record this in revaluation account. So the entry would be building account debited to revaluation account. Narration would be being increase in value recorded, and the amount would be 2 lakh. Now students, it clearly says that it was increased by 2 lakh. That means this is the differential value. This is the value that is to be increased now. So it has increased by 2 lakh straight away. The second entry, in date column I am putting the serial number here. The second entry is the value of creditor stands at 40,000 instead of 60,000 recorded in the books. That means in your balance sheet the creditors stand at rupees 60,000, but they should now be recorded at 40,000. It means there is a decrease in liability to the extent of 20,000. They were recorded at 60,000. They should now be recorded at 40,000. That means the difference in the value is 20,000. So the entry would be creditors account debited. Since there is a decrease in value, they will be debited to revaluation account, being decrease in value recorded, and this decrease is to the extent of 20,000. Now students, just remember these are independent entries. They are not related to the same question. These are independent journal entries. The third entry is the profit of revaluation is 50,000 and the old ratio of A and B is given to be 7:3. That means you are required to pass a journal entry for distribution of profits among the old partners, and their ratio is also given to you as 7:3. Let us pass this journal entry now. The entry would be now revaluation account debited to old partners who are given to be A and B. So to A's capital to B's capital account. 50,000 in the ratio of 7:3 means 35,000 for A and 15,000 for B. And the narration would be being profit divided among old partners in old ratio. Remember, the profits and loss of revaluation account will always be divided among old partners in their old profit sharing ratio.